Hello and welcome to the Offsite Construction Series, OffsiteDirt.com construction news. My name is Audrey Grabesic. I am the owner of Modular Sure Site. We are a modular consulting firm for residential and commercial projects. We also have a dedicated factory line. Today,
we introduce Modern Mod owner David Papen.
Good morning. I'm David Papen. I'm with Modern Mod. We have a 300,000 square foot facility in Neosho, Missouri. It's actually our plant 2, and we're expanding back into our first plant to a second facility of 146,000 square feet. We are very probably different than most of your modular factories in that we don't have a sales department. We don't have a marketing department. We actually build wholesale for brands, and we build wholesale for different developers, but mostly we build for a brand as a white label. We build it, supervise their build, and put their name on it and build it to their brand standard. So whether it's a hotel or an ice cream parlor, it doesn't matter. We build it and to what they want to build, where they want to build it, and how they want it built. And so, and then we modularly move it to where it's going. And so this is a project that we're actually working on with Modular Sure Site in Georgetown, Texas. It's called Finley Oaks, and it's a 29 unit multifamily townhome or condos, I think is what it's considered. So we just again, we build it a brand standard. We work with them. They tell us what they want to do and how they want to do it, and that's how we guide our day.